Hello everyone, welcome to this week's assembly. Thank you so much for being very cooperative and doing a great performance for your examinations last week. We think it went very smoothly and you should all be very proud of your achievements. So we're going to have Indy's news round, and I just want to thank Indy for his amazing performances and delivery of the news every single week since virtual lockdown. I particularly like his references to nature, and look out for the squids coming up soon. Poetry by Heart, congratulations to those 4 winners. They did incredible performances and they should also be feeling very proud. Thank you to Mrs. Howard for keeping that going, and for everyone involved, the judges, the voters, and all of you out there who also contributed and made some brilliant pieces. Well done. You should all feel very proud. So we've got the Eid break coming up, or it started right now. And then after the Eid break, when we come back on Wednesday the 19th, the schedule will return to normal, going back to the usual schedule of the slightly earlier start. And also that week on the 20th, on the Thursday, Year 7s and 8s can bring in their books and materials that they've used. So for Year 7, 8, that's going to be French, maths and science books and any other library books or materials you borrowed from school. Without returning those, we won't be issuing reports on the last day. For Year 9 and Year 11, that will happen on Saturday the 22nd of May. So please make sure that you have your parents, or you can make sure that all the materials are dropped off at the gate. Then the very last day of school, June the 3rd, on that Thursday, we'll do a drop-in session with your form tutors, and then there'll be the prize giving ceremony which will be released, so that's something to look forward to. Then there will be an end of year assembly where we'll celebrate, and then we'll also be recognising and saying goodbye to our leavers. Then after that, around 1 o'clock, 1:30, we will issue the reports. So this week it was Mother's Day on Sunday for certain parts of the world, and back in March it was the UK Mother's Day. And I think Mother's Day this year has a very important significance, because as you know, your mothers have been supporting you at home. They've been feeding you, watering you, cajoling you, keeping you going, waking you up in the morning. And just when when you've hit a low spot, I'm sure they've jeered you along. And so I think please appreciate your mums during this break. Do something nice for them. If you didn't do something already, just appreciate all the work that they've done. We do as a school for continuing the learning. So let's celebrate all mums. Thank you for that. So have a great Eid break. Enjoy time with your loved ones. If you're traveling, stay safe and go outside and see some nature. It's very good to connect, and it's great for anxiety and good for your well-being. And we'll see you all again next Wednesday on the 19th.
Welcome back to News Round, Season 3, Episode 7, which is the final episode this season of News Round. Grab your popcorn, because this is a wild ride of facts before the Eid break. Let's jump in right away. Before we get into the facts, Happy Mother's Day to everyone who celebrated on Sunday. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1. J is the only letter that does not appear on the periodic table. Number 2. 2 AI chatbots were created by Facebook to see how they would communicate, but were shut down after they started communicating in their own language that they made. Number 3. If you cut down a cactus in Arizona, you'll be penalised for up to 25 years in jail. Number 4. A baby panda at birth is smaller than a mouse. Number 5. There are more Lego minifigures than people on Earth. Number 6. The Roman-Persian Wars were the longest ever in history, lasting over 680 years. Number 7. The voice actor for SpongeBob SquarePants is married to the voice actor of Karen, which is Plankton's computer wife, in real life. Number 8. Octopuses and squids have beaks. They are made of the same material as bird beaks and our fingernails. Number 9. Bulls are colorblind, so the color red does not really make them angry. Number 10. Before 2016, social media sites such as YouTube gave copyrights if you played the song Happy Birthday in your videos or in any public use. Number 11. Lettuce is a part of the sunflower family. Number 12. Sharks can live in extreme heat, as scientists have discovered sharks living in underground deep water volcanoes. Number 13. Mercury and Venus are the only well-known planets in our solar system to not have any moons. Number 14. It also snows metal on Venus. Number 15. Llamas are used to fend off coyotes eating sheep herds, as scientists prove one guard llama can fend off a full-on coyote attack. Number 16. Birds are the closest living relatives to crocodiles and descendants to feathered dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus. Yes, T-Rex was a feathered dinosaur. Number 17. Most female cats prefer using their right hand, while males prefer their left hand. Number 18. Domino's tested reindeer pizza delivery in Japan during 2016. Number 19. Starfish do not have blood. And finally, number 20. Disappointed Island is an uninhabited island near New Zealand that has had many shipwrecks, lots of albatross, but no settlers. Well, that's the end of Season 3 of Newsround. Hope you guys have a wonderful Eid break, and I'll see you next time on Newsround Season 4.